You're not tired because you worked too hard. You're tired because nothing you did today actually mattered to you. There's a difference. Most men don't collapse from effort. They collapse from emptiness. You wake up already behind, check your phone before your feet hit the floor, scroll through lives that aren't yours, rush to meetings about projects you don't care about, answer messages from people who drain you. By noon, you haven't even started your real work. By evening, you're exhausted from doing nothing that fed your soul. This isn't burnout. This is misalignment. Your energy doesn't vanish because you're weak. It leaks through 1,000 small holes you've stopped noticing. Every obligation you didn't choose, every comparison you made, every moment you said yes when you meant no. The modern world taught you that rest fixes exhaustion. It doesn't. Rest without purpose is just emptiness in a different position. The Samurai's Secret. Miyamoto Musashi fought over 60 duels to the death. He trained daily, carved sculptures, wrote philosophy, meditated in mountain caves, and he never burned out. Not because he rested more, but because he carried less. He lived by one principle: do nothing that is of no use. Every possession was questioned, every relationship examined, every thought tested for weight. He understood something most men never learn. Energy isn't created by addition, it's revealed through subtraction. When you remove what doesn't serve you, what remains has room to breathe. Your mind stops running in circles, your body stops fighting itself. Musashi could train for hours because he wasn't training to impress anyone. He wasn't chasing validation or comparison. He was walking a path he chose himself. That clarity gave him endless energy. Not motivation, not discipline. Alignment. Look at what you did yesterday. How much of it was truly yours? The meeting that could have been an email, the scroll session that stole an hour, the conversation with someone you don't even like, the project you're doing because you think you should, not because you want to. Every misaligned action costs you. Not just time, energy. Your spirit keeps a ledger. Every time you betray yourself with a hollow yes, you make a withdrawal. Every time you chase someone else's definition of success, you cut a hole in your own reserves. This is why you're tired after doing nothing. This is why weekends don't restore you. Because rest can't refill a container full of holes. You don't need a vacation. You need subtraction. The practice of removal. Musashi traveled light, sometimes barefoot, often with nothing but a wooden sword. He wrote, painted, and fought with the same principle: carry only what's necessary. This wasn't asceticism, this was survival. In battle, every extra thought meant death, every hesitation cost you. So he trained his life to be simple, clean, immediate. No mental clutter, no emotional baggage, no distractions pretending to be priorities. You're carrying too much. Not just physical possessions, though those matter. Mental weight. The 47 open tabs in your mind. The projects you'll never finish. The relationships you're maintaining out of guilt. The version of yourself you're pretending to be. All of it is heavy. Start removing. Not dramatically, not all at once. Just notice what drains you and gives nothing back. That friendship that feels like work, that hobby you're forcing yourself to enjoy, that goal you adopted from someone else's life. Let it fall away. Energy doesn't come from doing more things. It comes from doing fewer things with your whole being. Beyond motivation. Musashi didn't train when he felt inspired. He trained when it rained, when it burned, when his hands bled. There are accounts of him repeating a single strike thousands of times until it became thoughtless, effortless, part of his breathing. He said, "There is more than one path to the top of the mountain, but all paths require the same thing: rhythm." When something becomes rhythm, it stops exhausting you. You don't get tired brushing your teeth. Why? Because it's automatic, integrated, part of who you are, not what you do. Musashi didn't try to train. He was a trainee. The mistake most men make is waiting to feel ready, waiting for motivation to arrive like some external force. It won't. Motivation is a visitor. Rhythm is a resident. Build the rhythm first, the feeling follows. Do what you said you'd do, not because you want to, because it's who you are. That shift from trying to being is where exhaustion ends. The freedom of detachment. In 1612, Musashi faced Sasaki Kojiro on a small island. Kojiro was a master, fast, precise, elegant. He arrived early, robes clean, blade polished, confidence absolute. Musashi arrived late, unwashed, carrying a wooden sword he'd carved from a boat oar on the way over. The duel lasted seconds. One strike. Kojiro fell. Musashi turned and walked away without a word. No celebration, no explanation, no need for witnesses to validate what had happened. Because he wasn't attached to winning. He was devoted to clarity. You're tired because your energy depends on outcomes. The next promotion, the next achievement, the next piece of validation that proves you're enough. Every time you tie your piece to a result, you give your power away. When the result doesn't come, you collapse. When it does come, it's never enough. Musashi won because he fought empty. His mind wasn't on victory. It was on the moment, the angle, the breath, the strike, nothing more. Detach from the outcome and you'll find something strange happens. You stop getting tired because you're no longer carrying the weight of what might happen, just the clarity of what is. Stillness inside motion. Between duels, Musashi painted. He carved wooden sculptures, meditated by rivers, wrote poetry. He believed the sword and the brush were the same practice. Both required presence, calm, flow. He said, "From one thing, know 10,000 things." Master stillness in one place, and it spreads everywhere. Your exhaustion comes from constant motion. You wake up moving, eat while moving, even rest while scrolling, thinking, planning, worrying. Your body never stops. Your mind never stops. The samurai found rest inside movement. Every swing of the sword was meditation. Every brushstroke was breath. Every step was prayer. You need to find that place in your own life. Maybe it's lifting, maybe it's walking, maybe it's writing or building or sitting in silence. Somewhere in your day, there must be a space where your body moves, but your mind goes still. That's where energy lives. Not in doing nothing, in doing one thing completely. The source. In his final years, Musashi retired to a cave. No students, no duels, no distractions. Just him and a brush and a lifetime of clarity condensed into one book. He wrote that true strength comes from knowing yourself completely, without illusion, without pretense. The modern world sells you energy in pills and promises, caffeine, motivation, productivity hacks. None of it works, because energy doesn't come from outside, it comes from alignment. When your actions match your values, energy flows. When your goals are yours, not borrowed, not performed, you stop running on fumes. Musashi didn't need motivation or luxury or an audience. He had one thing, clarity, and clarity is infinite. The closing. You're not tired because you're weak. You're tired because you're divided. You're saying yes to things that don't matter, fighting battles that don't move you, carrying weight that isn't yours. The path back to energy isn't complicated. Remove what drains you. Build rhythm where it counts. Detach from outcomes. Find stillness in motion. Walk your own path. Not louder, not faster, just yours. Musashi spent his life mastering one thing, himself. And in doing so, he never ran out of energy. You have the same option. Not someday, right now. Stop dividing your spirit across 1,000 things that don't feed you. Choose one path, walk it fully, and you'll realize you were never actually tired. You were just lost.